Alright, today we are opening up the LongMon LED light up neon light. Now this is in the shape of some lips, which is pretty exciting, pretty cool. You can go ahead and pull it out. And as you can see, it is battery powered or USB powered. Now I don't know if we can charge rechargeable batteries through here, through this. That might be something interesting to figure out. But let me grab some batteries real fast. These might not all be charged up, but we'll at least give it our best effort. They are going to be AAA battery, or AA batteries, sorry, excuse me, AA batteries. Alright, and flip it on, looks, there it goes. So here, let me turn the light off. Okay, so this is not a super bright light during the day in the light. You're not going to be able to see, here, that's a little bit better. You're not going to be able to see exactly how bright this is because I am, in a well-lit area. I can't even shut all these lights off. But this is not true neon light. So this is an LED neon style light. But this is an LED strip underneath here, I imagine, that's lighting this up with the light being diffused underneath. It's not glass. It is kind of like a rubber material. So that's good because I tell you what, this is going to my kid and she is notorious for dropping things. And I feel like you can drop this and it's just fine. It feels like a bouncy ball. There we go, like a bouncy ball material. But you can definitely see that light through it. I am interested to see if I can charge these. I'm going to have to read the instructions on that though. And then possibly I'll post them down below and then you guys can read about that. But this light, it's a pretty good light. This is something that I think we probably leave on all night. If she leaves it on, it's not going to be intrusive as far as the amount of light that there is. So this is probably going to be a pretty good item. If you guys have any questions, comments, though, it's pretty simple. It's a light. It lights up. It's got an on and off. It's battery powered. Looks like you can also charge it via USB or at least power it via USB. So if you got any questions, just ask. I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching and we'll see you guys next time.